you've kept up with the miniature postings that we've done, I kind of wanted to give a peek into the larger 3D printed miniatures that I've made. Some are painted, some are in progress. So the first one is done, and to not get flagged for nudity, I've covered up everything, so forgive the blue blobs. So, we have a cyber chick with her gas mask, completely hand painted by me, in progress of a net runner. Got a few little touch-ups left on that one. We have our battle angel, which has some dust because of the workspace. I'm not completely done, but it is silvered out for now. Into cyborg solo of some sort. Then we have almost a V. And then, of course, we remember her from a few of the original Cyberpunk 2020 vids, or 2077 vids. Still a lot of work to do on her to make her look statuesque, but all in all, those are the bigger statues. So, yeah, lots of stuff to paint. So stay tuned as I get them done. Oh, yeah. You've seen that one out of the corner of your screen right here, huh? That is Cyberpunk Siri, which is almost done. I'm not a fan of the yellow, so still a little bit of touch up there, along with the leather straps. The sword broke, so I do have to fix that. But there you go. Those are the larger ones that I have to finish. I'm sure that I have more somewhere around here and all of that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the little sneak peek at what I do other than be a game master.